I'm Hugh Strawn, Vice President of Catastrophe Services for the PLRB. The Catastrophe Services Department is composed of 3 people. We provide catastrophe information for our member companies 7 days a week, 24 hours a day with our 3-person staff. The main report that you will see from the PLRB Catastrophe Services Department is the daily report, the Severe Storm and Occurrence Summary. This is a unique state-by-state detailed summary of severe weather events. To get to this summary online, go to www.plrb.org. On the left-hand toolbar, click on the Weather CATS button, then Main, to access the Catastrophe Services website. The website can also be bookmarked for direct access at www.plrb.org/cats/resource.htm. If any incidents have occurred over the past 24 hours, a link to the most recent information is available at the top of the page. During the severe weather season, a link to the Severe Storm and Occurrence Summary is available. We also produce a threats assessment each business day. This is a cumulative report detailing forecast weather events and ongoing disasters that may affect insureds from current day to the next 10 days. We cover such things as up to day 8 severe weather forecast, up to day 8 fire weather forecast, up to day 3 precipitation forecast, up to day 3 heavy snow and icing forecast, up to day 6 river floods, and hazard assessments are available typically for the next 10 days. We also provide lightning probability information. The lightning probability maps are developed by the National Weather Service Meteorological Development Lab. The forecasts of the probability of 1 or more cloud-to-ground lightning strikes during the 2-hour forecast period. These are archived hourly for forecast images, and the PLRB map is where you get the daily maximum forecast. The GIS data on PLRB map is what drives our system and provides address-specific accountability. We archive peril and probability data internally, such as the lightning probability, the daily severe weather reports, the NEXRAD hail size and wind speed estimates, the weather observations, earthquakes and shaking intensity. We then link out to external sources for damage assessments from the National Weather Service, the tropical storm and hurricane wind field forecasts from the Hurricane Center, precipitation and snowfall forecasts from individual forecast offices, geomag fire perimeters from the government, and post-event imagery from the National Weather Service. The severe weather forecast of March 24, 2015 is shown here. The enhanced risk area is highlighted with a blocked indication there and an arrow pointing to actual hail events that occurred in that forecast. What this shows you is that the forecast is pretty accurate, and the hail information that was generated in this enhanced area occurred during the 24 hours of that forecast day. Tornado damage is also available on PLRB map. After an event has occurred, such as the image you're looking at here, which occurred in Illinois in 2015, we will start mining the internet to find publicly available geo-registered satellite images, such as this one from the Illinois Emergency Management Agency. It allows you to get a good look at where the damage occurred. It's geo-registered, so you can look specifically for addresses to see if they're in the damage area or not in the damage area. The wind field forecast for Hurricane Arthur that we're showing here is generated by the National Hurricane Center. This forecast is geo-registered and put on PLRB map so that your catastrophe manager can take a look and see where the predicted wind field areas might be, overlay your policyholder information on this data, and get a pretty good idea of where damages may occur as this storm advances. And that is a summary of the PLRB Catastrophe Services information in a nutshell.